Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
Please make sure we're staying seated at all times.
New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step.
And as we approach New Orleans Square Station, remember to remain fully seated until this train has come to that full and complete stop. This is your hot stop for the Haunted Mansion Holiday Harvest in the Caribbean.
Watch your step as you're getting on. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be removing our curtain in just a moment. This is the
Enjoy a lovely ride through the bayou and up the river.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Please watch your legs. We're now entering the bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a seat and party Princess Tiana is flowing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is kind of gear. The ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey...
And as we approach Mickey's Toontown Depot, remember to remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. This is your closest stop for the Matterhorn Bus Class. This is Full World, Peter Pan's Flight. Mr. Toontown rides and Nokia Characters, Alice in Wonderland, the King Customer Express Show, Casey Junior Circus Train, Double Flag Elephant, Rolling Front Runaway Railway, and Roger Rabbit's Parachute Spin down in Mickey's Toontown as well. Toontown will be closing at 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you want to ride Mickey and Minnie, now is a great time before they close the box and fire. Welcome to Toontown. For your safety, please remain fully seated at all times while this train's in motion, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Next stop again will be the land of the future, Tomorrowland Station. But don't you worry, guys. I've got a feeling we're going to get there today. Please stay seated and enjoy the ride as we steam towards the future.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountains.
Inside both. Please watch your children. Thank you. Willkommen. Für Ihre Sicherheit bleiben Sie bitte während der Notfahrt sitzen.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star steamers, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail and us are the fun-filled roadways of the October. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
And as we approach Tomorrowland Station, remember to remain fully seated until this train has come to that full and complete stop. This is your closest stop for the Autopia, Space Station, Lightning Palace, the Primeval, Twilight, your Astro Blaster. The Disneyland monorail servicing you to the downtown Disney District and Disneyland hotel area. Please don't stand up until we park. Welcome everyone to that green big beautiful Tomorrowland.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.